Hi everyone, those who joined to this live AWS revision class. So basically, we are going to revise whatever the things we have done till now. Okay, by the way, what happened to my eraser? Hmm, no, I guess it's not responding. Huh. Oh, okay. My system is slow or the eraser is slow? Hmm. So, from where we have started? Yeah. So we have started from what is cloud computing basically. Basically IT resources. You need CPU, RAM, storage, network. These are all called basically, if we combine everything, that's called a cloud computing. Basically, in computer, what we have. Okay, that's what on cloud you will get all those things. So basically, that is cloud computing. And then after that, we see how website works actually, how from a client to a server it reach. So here our server is AWS basically. Okay, we are using AWS provider to use to cut to like what to manipulate, not manipulate, to mimic our server basically. Okay, so these are the example how kind of address, post office, and principal. Okay, then how it's reached, and we have a server composition. See what compute, memory, storage, database, networking. Compute in the sense CPU, memory, RAM, storage, data, database table, MySQL, NoSQL, network router, DNS server. So all these things are will be available in our phone also. Okay, so basically that's what. And we have seen the house and in-house data center, in-house server, or okay, and the data center, in-house server basically, and we have seen the data center. So in-house in the sense in your home only. You are creating the server and you need to use your own electricity, own power backup, and all you need to maintain by your own. So we have a data centers. Okay, we have these are the cloud providers basically. We have a GCP, AWS, and Azure. In these are the three most popular cloud providers basically, and in top of that, AWS is like giant, you can say, in this field basically. Okay, and we have seen a pricing model as well. Okay, like these are the benefits of cloud computing. Okay? On demand pay as you go. Okay, access from anywhere and 24/7 power, 99.99% availability. Okay, why it's not 100%? Because we have seen the recent example of because of one service AWS goes down, and because of that it disrupt the whole world. Like few services were down, not able to, people were not able to access and all. Okay, so this is what the benefit of cloud computing. Okay, after that we have seen cloud services basically. Okay, so in cloud services, like these are the example of cloud services. We have a Gmail, Dropbox, and Canva. And we have seen the example of like last time AWS goes down, and because of that, Canva was not, we are not able to use it because at the behind the scene, Canva was using the AWS only. So that's what. If one service goes down, the other will also goes down. Okay, and these are the deployment model of the clouds. We have a private, public, and the hybrid. Private, like it's completely private. It's for your own use. You do whatever you want to do and they use it. We have a public, okay, and we have a hybrid. Public in the sense someone else will manage and you are going to use it. That's what public. Hybrid is on the combination of private and public. Okay, so let me write it down here. Okay, combination of public and private, it's already there, so no worry. So sometimes it's called on-prem. On-prem in the sense private, or on premises, basically on premises. So you can use AWS, GCP, Azure, another cloud providers. Okay, let's search cloud providers. Cloud providers. How many cloud providers are there? Okay, yeah, you can see here major cloud providers offer on-demand computing, storage, and other IT services over the internet. Okay, we have AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP. Okay, apart from that, we have few more others. Okay, you can see here Alibaba Cloud. Okay, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, DigitalOcean. Okay, these are all the cloud providers only, but not at the very big scale. Okay, they are also providing some very good, like you can see the features also. Okay, you can see here we have a 21 top cloud service provided globally in 2025. Okay, might be here you will get the list also. Let's open and see. Yeah, let's see. Oh yes, now you can see here market share, Azure, AWS, Azure, GCP. Let's see, we have any other else. Azure, anything else? Alibaba. Okay, first time I'm seeing this Alibaba Cloud basically. The interface and all. IBM Cloud, DigitalOcean, Salesforce Cloud, or Salesforce Cloud also. Tencent Cloud, PUBG company. Tencent. It's a Chinese company basically. Oracle Cloud, okay. Huawei Cloud, Dell Technologies Cloud, oh, okay. Cisco Cloud Solutions, okay. Linode, or Linode Akamai, okay. This one, so I have heard about this, but not the Node Akamai Cloud, okay. Wasabi, OVH Cloud, Black Backblaze B2, Rockspace, yeah. This one is a private one we have seen, okay. Here you can see here the private Rockspace, best for unpredictable cloud. Okay, this one I guess good. Cloudflare, yes, Cloudflare, Kamatera, HEPG Green Lake, okay, Hiroko, Walter, Hanser Online, nice, Scaleway, best for the European team, okay, nice. Do we have anything related to our India? Okay. So that's what we have seen, like cloud providers. As of now, we have talked about only three. On top of that, we are going to give the demo on AWS. Do let me know if you want any other services you want to use. Okay. Basically, the concept is same, just the providers will be different. That's all. So here now we have a characteristics of a cloud computing: on-demand, self-service, broad network access, multi-tenancy and resource pooling, rapid elasticity and scalability, measure services, like major service in this sense, what are all the services you are using. Okay, if you go into the AWS account, okay, if you see here, these are basically the interface. I'm not going to give you the demo like interface and all. So if you go to the billing and cost here, okay, so you can see the which are all the services you are using, okay, and how much it's costing basically. We'll see here. Analyze your cost in a cost explorer. You can see here AWS top trending 9 services. And if you scroll down, cost category, mm, cost category budgets. See here, mm, cost category bills. Okay, we'll go to the bills. Uh, Go to the bills. Yeah, charges by service. You will see here. Okay. So which service is using how much? Okay, you will get this all these details. In which region user using also, you can see here Asia Pacific, Hyderabad, Mumbai, EU. east west. Like you will get the complete overview of your resources basically in bill section. Okay, let's see apart from that what we'll get. Charges by account also. Okay. If in a root account and you have a multiple account, okay, so that you can manage here also. That's what major services. Okay, so advantages of cloud computing: capital expenses, operation expenses will be the less, capacity, increase speeds, go global in minutes basically. These are the operation cost and all. That's what the advantage of cloud computing on compared to on premises. So what problem solved by the cloud computing basically? So one is flexibility. Okay, it provides a lot of flexibility. Okay, basically, flexibility in the sense as per your need. Okay, you can tweak the services, you can tweak the your pipeline and all, and then it will work for you. Cost effectiveness. Okay, so the more you will use the AWS, and the more you will get the like discount kind of. Okay, scalability, you can scale as much as you need. Elasticity, agile. Okay, so these are the advanced problems solved by the cloud computing. Apart from that, we have types of cloud computing. Okay, like kind of. We have IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS in the sense infrastructure, PaaS means platform as a service, and SaaS in the sense software as a service. Okay. Yeah, we have taken the food example like actually. Okay, so like you cook food, okay, complete from raw, and after that you order something. Okay, you order paneer butter masala and then you make a chapati at home, so that's called a pass. Okay, and complete SaaS in this like that. Okay, and completely you order from the Swiggy basically. So these are all like you can analogy you can say. Okay, and we have a like example of AWS also. Infrastructure service, we have a EC2, S3, VPC, or EC2. If we take the example of EC2, okay, so what happened? You have a server, just you need to configure and use it. Like you have the complete infrastructure, that's just you need to configure and use it. That's called the infrastructure as a service. We have a pass like platform as a service, like WordPress, Wix. We have it's complete platform, just you need to configure and use it. So we have a in AWS, we have a Lambda as well. Okay, so after that we have a SaaS, like software as a service. We have a Gmail, Netflix, and Google Drive. Okay, so it's complete software it is, and you're using it. So after that we have a pricing model as well. So like how, because it's a cloud computing, okay, you need to pay for that. So how you're going to pay? So we have a compute, storage, and data out of the cloud. So by like these are the like what you can say parameters. Okay, on these parameters you are going to pay, they are going to charge you. Okay, one is compute, how much compute you have consumed, how much compute you have used. Okay, storage, how much storage you are going to using. Okay, and whatever the data is going out of your cloud, in is free, out is paid kind of. Okay, and we have AWS global infrastructure. Okay, infrastructure we have seen. If you go here, you can see here global. Okay, so, manage region, nothing. Okay, so do check out about what is this AWS cloud infrastructure. Okay, yeah, you will get the complete explanation on my video. Okay, we have a very good explanation. We have a region, availability zone, edge location, and all. These three are totally different, but you need to like figure it out. What is region? What is availability zone? What is edge location? What is the use of this region? AZ, how you can select the best region, how each region is suited for you as compared to governance, cost, and how much closer to your the end user, like proximity. Okay, so these are all the like, factors you need to keep in mind while uh, creating EC2 instance. Okay, any service on EC2, like any service on AWS and all. we have AZ. Okay, so post that, like, these are the basics of, okay, if let me minimize. So these are all the basics of cloud computing. Okay, till now we didn't touch the AWS. Okay, till now we are just learning the theory. So that's that much cloud computing it is. Okay, post that we have a root user. What is root user? What is IAM user? Okay, so basically root user is when you create the account, okay, you will get the root user, complete full access and all. Then post that you will create a IAM user. So IAM in the sense, instead of if you want to share your account, okay, you want to like suggest someone, okay, use this service on my account. You can't share your the complete credential. Okay, what you do, you create the user and share to that user. Okay, share that credential. Okay, they have a limited access. Okay, and the best part is, in AWS, like in any cloud provider, you have something called limited access. Okay, list privilege. This is called list privilege. So you are going to give those access, those services access only which is you want to try. Okay, so that's all. That's the benefit of using IAM user. Okay, so after that we have seen AWS console. AWS console is nothing but when you open the AWS, okay, you will get the console home. That's what called AWS console. Okay, so in if I give the walkthrough, okay, okay, complete. Let me give you the walkthrough console. Okay, let me take a break and we'll get back. Okay, welcome back. So where we are, AWS console. Okay, so basically this is what AWS console we have. At the left side we have my application, all services. Let's see what is there in my applications. Hmm, nothing is there in my application. Secret application. What we will get? Hmm, create an application to view your application cost, security findings, metrics in it one place. Find out more. Here's the value pair that has metadata original. My application is extension of a console home that helps you manage and monitor the cost, health, security posture, and performing. Hmm. Mm. I believe it's nothing but you are creating one like application, and then you are adding the resources. Okay, and post that it will your your account AWS will continuously monitor those services and give you the summary kind of things here. Okay, so that's what AWS my application might be. I have not used. Okay, I will use and I will let you know. Okay, in my some on one of my video I will let you know about my applications. Okay, here you'll get all the services. I have explained all this in my videos. Okay, you can check it out. And apart from that, uh, you can change the widgets also. Okay, let's see, maintenance, observatory, patch compliance. Okay, total credit on 40 of $100. Okay, 140. Mm-hmm. Widgets, let me close it out. To my application, create application. So that's all for today. uh, I will close this live stream. Again, we'll see tomorrow, might be day after tomorrow. Okay, we will revise a few more things are there. Okay, till AWS, what is cloud computing we have seen. Now we are going to AWS, proper AWS. Okay, and we'll see, we'll revise few more things and we'll search. Okay, as of now today I got one repository. Okay, here we have a DevOps exercise, so we'll do the exercise also. Okay, like on live we will do the exercise and we'll see. Okay, see you in the next video, another live stream. Bye bye.